How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to My Gardening Habit. I'm Rob Mayer, and today we're hanging up some 1-inch EMT or thin-walled conduit to create a structure for hanging plants or grow lights or a watering system. So I was originally going to go with black pipe, either 3/4 inch was probably what I was going to go with just a 4-flange screwed into the end and have them going straight across down the way. But if I was to do that and do the entire length of the 36-foot greenhouse, I forget what I was pricing that out at, but I think it would have run me somewhere around, like, I don't know, $1,000 or more. So looking around for a cheaper alternative, I found 10-inch lengths of this electrical conduit. They're galvanized steel 1-inch conduits, and they're 10 foot in length. Instead of cutting them down to fit the 8-foot span, I just staggered them, put them on diagonally, and yeah, I think it's working out pretty good. It was pretty easy to do. I just took a 3/16 inch drill bit and a little two-and-a-half-inch self-tapping decking screw with a Torx head and a little number 10 washer, and I just put one on each side, about an inch into the pipe, 1.25 inches in to the pipe, and yeah, I think it should hold up pretty good. Depending on how many plants I end up hanging on here, how heavy they get full of water, that's gonna determine how many I can put on, or really how good these things are gonna work out. I only did 7 at the moment. I bought 6 of them and I already had one laying around. They run about $10 a piece, so again, I'm trying to not break the bank all in one. In the short term, I was using just random pieces of old black pipe or fence posts, galvanized steel fence posts, just kind of going across on the angles wherever I could fit it. And it's time to make a more permanent solution, something that I'm okay with hanging everything off of and not worrying about it. So yeah, looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. We'll see how it holds up. So thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate your support, and I really appreciate all the support that I've been getting from not just friends and family, but other people out on social media, on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Now we're even playing around with TikTok. So it's been a lot of fun since we got this started just a little over a year ago. And yeah, I really appreciate it. Again, I've said this before, everything that you're seeing here is just me, you know, throwing something at the wall and seeing what sticks. It's all just little experiments. They may not be the most scientific at times, but we're doing whatever we can to just try anything and learn from the mistakes, and you know, kind of keep on improving when we get a good result. So check back for more, and thank you very much. Take care.